When you rent an apartment, you sign a contract. It's called a lease. There's a lot of important things that you need to read in there. How long is the lease for?
Who's going to make repairs if something goes wrong with the plumbing system or the air conditioning or heat? Is it going to be the landlord, or is the landlord looking to you?
What happens to my security deposit? How much security deposit do they want?
Who's paying utilities? Does this come with utilities, or are you separately responsible for the water bill, the heat, etc.?
Does the rent increase over time, or does it stay the same?
How much notice in advance do you have to give if you're moving out and want to end the tenancy? How does it terminate?
If you want to renew the lease at the end of the term, how do you do that? If you want to rent it for a year, but you think you might want to stay for another year or 2 years down the road, you need to make sure that you negotiate that right of renewal. All of these things are in the contract, and all of these things are negotiable.
Never rent an apartment sight unseen. You want to know exactly what apartment you're going to be moving into, and you want to walk through it, inspect it. If you rent an apartment with someone else, you are both jointly and severally liable. And what that means is, if your buddy moves out, well, you're on the hook for all of the rent.
Would you be able to go after your friend and to recoup those amounts? The answer is yes, but do you really want to have to do that?
That often doesn't work too well. So be careful about who you enter into a contract with, and be careful about what the contract actually says.
You can protect yourself
Because you want to avoid a lawsuit.
If you don't know how the system works, you're not going to do as well.